Let's make burdock roasted roots. Making roasted roots is a simple step past drying roots, and they can really enrich the flavor of roots such as burdock, dandelion, and chicory when you want to add a richness to your herbal decoction blends. To roast burdock roots, you'll need to start with dried roots, or you can dry some fresh ones first. You will need burdock roots, fresh or dried, a baking sheet and parchment paper, an oven, hot pads, a metal spatula, and be sure to also have a lidded jar and a label on hand for storing your roasted roots. If you are starting with fresh burdock roots, you will also need a cutting board and a knife or ulu to cut the herbs with. Before chopping up your roots, be sure to carefully wash them and pat them dry. Chop your roots into small pieces and place them on the baking sheet covered in parchment paper. Spread them out evenly so that they are on a single layer. Your fresh roots are ready to go into the oven now. Place your tray in an oven set on the lowest temperature. Crack open the door if you can to let out the moisture. While they are drying, stir your roots every 20 to 30 minutes until they are dried. Once they are dried, turn your oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you are starting with dried roots, place the roots on the parchment paper and put them in an oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If using fresh roots that have dried, close the oven door and roast for another 20 minutes or so, checking on and stirring every 5 to 10 minutes. Once the roots have turned a shade of brown and smell delicious, they are done. Remove them from the oven and allow them to cool. When they are cooled, store them in a glass jar. To use, you can decoct your roots like you would any other type of roots, or you can blend them with other spices to make chai and decoct them as you normally would decoct a chai blend. If stored in a dark, cool location, your roasted roots should stay good for up to 2 years.